Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a request from one of you guys, and it's from BBG50151, and it says, can you please do a panda themed paper squishy? And this is exactly what I'm doing today. So if you have a request for a future paper squishy video, then definitely leave that in the comments down below. I would love to give you a shout out on screen, or even for a different craft if you're looking to try something new as a part of your New Year's resolution. I'm definitely looking to try out new things this year, and I would love to hear from you. So to create this paper squishy, I folded over the edge of an A4 piece of paper, as you can see, and just started sketching out this design. I made sure to make the panda's eyes quite big down at the bottom so that I could curve around and get all of those details still on there to make the cake roll design. As you can see, the little ears are right in place, and I've made a lime cream filling, which I think just stands out really nicely against that black colour, so that bright green. I love it. So in order to turn this piece into a 3D paper squishy, I needed obviously the back piece, so I cut out two of those because I folded over that paper, a tail and just a lime green heart, and then I used the lime green colour to make a little bit of filling on a strip of paper. I then covered that in tape and then cut little tabs into it, so I was able to fold one by one, just joining on that first front piece of the cake roll, just little tab by little tab. It takes some patience, it takes some time, but once you get it on there nice and neat, I promise it's worth it. You then want to do the same by joining up the back piece onto the other side of that strip, just to create your 3D shape, and then you want to stuff it with some stuffing and then seal shut in the exact same way. Then it just covered the whole paper squishy in tape to protect it, and then moved on to the packaging. So like I said earlier on in the video, I am in the New Year's resolution spirit. I am looking to learn new creative skills, embark on new creative crafts, and if you are also looking to learn a new creative skill as your new resolution, then today's sponsor Craftsy will be exactly what you need. Craftsy is an online community with creators helping like-minded makers like you and me to level up the crafts, with over 2,000 classes and more than 20 creative categories including knitting, crochet, woodworking, jewelry making, painting. There's always something new to learn. A couple of classes that have caught my eye recently are this one here, the Working with Felt by Ashley Hu, in the sewing section, as well as this one here obviously, which is how to learn to sculpt a stuffed animal cake by Elisa Strauss. Look at that. There really is something for everybody. Recently I've been looking into creating my own colouring book, and this class by Chelsey Montague has given me all of the insight I could ever have hoped for. A behind the scene look into how colouring books are actually made from her own designs, lots of tips and tricks on where to begin. The class even includes a bonus PDF file full of Chelsey's own designs that you can use as a creative practice or even just give as a gift. This class has definitely filled me with creative curiosity to kickstart my New Year's resolution this year, and I couldn't be more grateful. As a member of Craftsy, you will get unlimited access to thousands of classes, and what's even more amazing is that the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the video description will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49, valid for new members only. Thank you so much to Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. Now back to the packaging. So to make the packaging for my 3D paper squishy, I first started with a header card. I like to cut this down to size to my packaging that I'm actually using on the paper squishy. So for this one I'm using a cello bag, just because it creates that nice crunch and like scrunchy sound when you squish it. I just love it. So first of all I put my paper squishy into the bag, and then I just cut the header card to the same size as that bag so that it will fit on later on when we attach it. So once it's all cut down to size, you're then able to decorate it. I actually decorated mine in a bright green colour, but I actually used a Posca paint pen to begin with to write out the word roll cake so that it could stay white inside of that text. As you can see here, these lines look very familiar, like a colouring book would be. Oh my goodness, imagine how cute a colouring book made of all these designs would actually be. I would love that. Anyway, carrying on with the colouring in on this, I just went to town with my paint pens. With the green, I made a little barcode, I made some writing on the back, I made a fake price on it, I put on Panda at the front, the white dots. I think it just looks lovely. But then, once I was finally done, I covered it all in tape to make sure it was nice and shiny, and just gave off the same kind of sheen as my cello bag did. I like putting shiny header cards on cello bags because I don't think the mat looks quite right. So once that was done, I was then able to staple into place. You can use double-sided tape if you want to, but I prefer stapling mine because I keep my 3D squishies in the packaging when I make it anyway, because I just think it squishes nicely. So hopefully you have enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much to the request from that lovely comment. I really do appreciate it. If you have any requests that you would like to see go forward, or any new crafts you would like to see on this channel, then definitely let me know down in the comments. And like I said, if you are looking to level up a new creative skill this new year, then Craftsy could be for you. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to bring you this content. Like I said, the first 1,000 of my subscribers, click the link down in the video description, will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49, which is valid for new members only. Thank you so much to Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much to you for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another one.